Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little festival makeup. I'm not going to any festivals this year, but I am going to Ibiza. I don't like going out with a lot of colour on my eyes and lips and things. I'm just not really into it. And there'll be some people that are not really into it and some people that don't even know how to apply it. So this tutorial is for those types of people. I just want to look like, I want to feel nice but with a normal face of makeup. So for that, we need this kind of thing. Hello. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go for this one. I just want to look like that. Really, really simple. So I've done a very natural makeup, which if you watch my everyday makeup video, you can see this in. Now I'm just gonna imagine that I've been out for the day and this is on, and I just want to heavy it up a little bit. I'm gonna move on to a bit more of an industrial strength concealer, which is the Creme Brulee NARS 2.5. Foundation is fine, but I feel like I just need to come under the eyes here. And this is a great way of taking like a sort of day look tonight. Use my same palette that I was using before, which was the Tartelette Toasted palette. But just going to use a few of the stronger shades. I really want the socket to look a bit more defined now. So I'm going to come in with something a little bit stronger. I'm going to use these two on the end here, which are Fireside and Cozy. Then I'm going to use the Simmer, which is this lovely bronzer here. You can literally just press this on with your finger, so just get some on there, and then literally pressing that on. I'm just going to soften that through a little bit now. Then I'm going to use this one. This is Hyper Real Glow. Just coming in here in the teared up. I think you can go for a bit more of the old highlighter. Then the more fluffy brush. This, I use the golden one here, mixed with the middle one. And that is just coming in here. You don't want it from like start to finish there and all the way to there. That's not how we do it. It's literally just here, just kind of dusting it through. So next up, eyes. I do think you need a lash. You know, you gotta at least put a lash on. So for that, I do like to line my eyes. I am using Liquid Last Liner MAC, and it's Point Black. I mean, if you did want to really get festival, these do make me feel quite excited. This is Model's Own. Lashes on, dull lashes. One of my favourites is the Stephanie lash. I also really like the Jilly lash. Done. I'm going to do the gems now, and then we can sort of finish off with a bit of contour around them. So this is the one we're going to use. So you can get these from Claire's Accessories. Oh, that's clever. So it shows you how to sit them. You need to use tweezers. Wow. Oh, dropped it. Oh my god. I'm so thick. You don't even need to do this. You don't need to do this. Okay. Wow, it comes off in one piece. Wow, okay. What the hell? That is it. That is it. Yes. Oh, this is really cool and really effective. That is it. That is going to be so quick. Just need to add a bit more bronzer. Set with like a tiny bit of powder. You might want to bring your translucent powder out for the night. Could get sweaty. The lip liner that I used before is so nice. It's Rusty Lord and Berry. But actually, I'm just thinking about things in my head. If you didn't want this many, you could just cut them to whatever you wanted. This looks so cool though. Time to try on headbands. So there's something like quite understated. Cute. Maybe if you were going for a bit of a dark lip, this would look pretty cute. This one's nice too. This is slightly a bit more bridally. I mean, obviously it depends on your outfit, doesn't it? I think if you've got a head shape like mine, having them set up right is better. So that is the look, finished, complete. Hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. If you recreate it, tag me please, I'd love to see what you do.